Let's make a slime dinosaur. Some glue. Okay. Some pink. Done. Mix it. 3 minutes. Tock, tick, tock, tick, tock, tick, tock. It's done. Look, it's beautiful. It's have a dinosaur here. Oh my god, it's yellow dinosaur. Beautiful, yeah? Yeah. And bye.